Hello everybody, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. How is everybody doing today? Today it is 82 degrees in my area. The sun is shining. It is a nice day. Not too hot today, but just a beautiful day, beautiful blue skies. So guys, my second oldest daughter went to Bojangles today. Yes, Bojangles. Who is familiar with Bojangles? The first time I had Bojangles, I was in South Carolina. No, North Carolina. I was in, Raleigh. I was in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I had Bojangles. So let me show you. We have a Bojangles in our area. We had two, one shut down, and then one is still here. She bought me some fried chicken, which I know is delicious, some mac and cheese, and some dirty rice. I won't be eating the sides. I will just eat a piece of chicken because I've already had my supper, so I'm not really hungry, but I will eat a piece of chicken. And this is the dirty rice. Here it is. It looks a little bit like the rice that I cooked yesterday. Okay, guys, just wanted you to see that. And also, I want you guys to see my flowers. My flowers are still looking so pretty. Look at this. They have lasted a very long time. And I am so grateful for that. Just want you guys to see this. And let's see about this chicken here. It looks good. Ooh, it's crusty. It's hot. That's why I'm saying, ooh, it's hot. Y'all can take the first bite of it here. Just want you to look at it. Let's see. Look at there. Have the first bite. Mmm. Juicy. So juicy. Flavorful. And so flavorful. Since I have you on camera, I'm going to taste a little. Have a bite of the mac and cheese. It's real creamy looking. It is creamy and good. Okay, I'm gonna let you see the rice. Can have a bite of that. Look at this. Seasoned. It tastes pretty good. It really does. I don't need all these starches, so I'm not gonna eat all of this. Just tasting it so you can see what it looks like and what it tastes like. Gonna let you see the chicken again. Take another bite of that. Look at that. It's not dry, it's juicy. So, just wanted you guys to see it. I will talk to you on the next video, on the next live. Please like, thumbs up, make a comment, and tell me what you think. Tell me if you have ever had chicken. It is good, but I can see the grease. It's a little bit greasy, but here it is. Talk to you guys on the next one.